Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I can remove green screen in Davinci Resolve. Here I am with a video. This is the wrong video. We're going to be using a video with green screen, of course. So the first thing you need to do is head over to effects here on the top left side of your screen, so that you'll have this entire section here with all the effects that you can use. So let's pretend let's really use this video of Aqua crying green screen, and we want to remove the green screen. And what we can do is head over to the effects on the left side of the screen, and now we need to find is a key, 3D keyer actually. Yeah, so it's kind of hard searching for it. So let's just search up 3D keyer here. It's not here, I think. It's like open effects, I think. Let me just click on open. As you can see, yeah, this one. 3D keyer, just drag it on the video, the green screen video, and just click on the green part of the video using the drop tool here, dropper. And as you can see, it removes the screen behind it. That is how you remove the green screen in the green screen video using Davinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.